Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to set manager for any security group and how to provide permission for that user so that he or she can manage membership of that particular group. Managing membership means that particular user can add the users in this group and he or she can also remove the users from the group. Generally, people are working for support staff like service desk or active directory team members are only having permissions to set the manager and managing the membership of that particular group. But some companies are following some best practice so that they can just save the time and they can take some required action if needed by their own. For example, suppose I'm a member of any Wintel team and I have been selected as a manager of particular group and people are joining my team and I want to give same time permissions for any particular user. I can add that user in this group and that user will be having the same permission that I am having or any other person is having who is managing the server. If that person is leaving the company or leaving the project, I can also remove that particular user from the group so that there will not be any garbage and there is no need to raise any ticket or coordinate with any other team for adding or removing users in the group. It will make things fast. So there are manual way and are some other automatic way as well. I will show you both. If you see Active Directory, I have created one group here, so it should be moved to another group. Let me create one unit and I can move that group into okay. So now I created one group. If you see here, no manager is set and I want to set one user as a manager. For example, I want to set this Carolina as a manager of this group. What I can do, I can go here, change Carolina, Carolina, and I need to select this box. So once I select this box, Carolina will be able to manage the membership of this particular group. But I will do this in another way. But you can use this way if you are going to do for one or two groups only. That is also easy way. Here you can see my workstation where I have logged in with Carolina. Just want to ensure yes, Carolina is there. You can see Carolina there, right? And you can also type who am I. So Carolina has been created under karnav domain. Here I can also access my Active Directory. I have installed rset tool. If you are not aware how to install rset tool, please watch my another video. But you should have admin rights or you can take help from anyone who is having admin rights. So I have not done anything. if you open this, you can see managed by nothing, right? And if I want to take help to add any user or remove, I can't do anything because add or remove is grayed out, right? And you can also see security. Here we are having some, but Carolina is not there. So what we will do, once we did this properly, we will be able to see that manager is set, and one more option will be set as well. You can see this right member, right? So that box will be checked as well once we provide the permissions for Carolina. What you can do, or if you want to see something like this, security, advanced, effective access, Carolina, view access. Here can we see right member. See, this is showing cross. Read members is there. As I said earlier in my another video, every authenticated user is having read access of Active Directory. Almost all the read access. So we will come here and we will run only two commands. So this is my one command. So this is the distinguished name of my group. You can use the same account name as well if you want to for the group, and that is the distinguished name of my user. So I need to change this from Ratan to Carolina. How can I get the distinguished name? I created another video to check how to get the distinguished name of the user, group and computer. So please watch that as well. If you find Carolina from here, then you will not be able to see distinguished name, right? Nothing like this. You can't see attribute editor, then you can't get the distinguished name from here. But you can see here, this is the object, so you know where your computer user is. Then you can go there, like India users Carolina, India users Carolina. Then you will be able to see this attribute editor. And one more important thing is, you should select this box, otherwise you will not be able to show both the options. You can watch my another video for more detail. As I said, here you can just add the same account name or distinguished name of the group, but here it is necessary to add the distinguished name of the user. So directory object not found, but wrong we did. Okay, So earlier my group was in this location, but I have changed my group to this location, so I need to select or get the distribution name from here. Let's try with a simple same account name if it works or not. It should work as I checked. Okay, right, as I said, you need to use the same account name of the group or the correct distinguished name. If you okay, just refresh this group. Now you will see manager is set here. Now I want to check this box. I can check it manually, but I will not do like this. I will use another process or another way. I try to find out where if I can do this by using PowerShell, but I did not get. Maybe I was not looking at the right place. But so I need to get the this name. So this is the DN of my group, and this is the DN of my user. CN Carolina till then WP colon member. So you need to just run this. Okay, the command completed successfully. If you refresh this, you will see again magic. This box is checked, right? Now if you want to see something, go to security. Here you will see Carolina. Earlier she was not here. Advanced. Okay, again you need to see the Carolina here and go to edit button. As I said, see, nothing is changed except one box. Okay, everything is there like this. Nothing specific has been selected, nothing wrong except this box has been checked. That was our requirement. Okay, now we need to just log off and log in and see if we can get the thing that we are looking for. Very fast. We can open Active Directory by using dsacls.msc. India groups IT staff. Now can you see that box is highlight, and I want to add Pankaj or Prakash both. Okay. See, I can add, and if you want to see from here, just refresh this and you will see those users are there. Let's try to remove one of them. Oh, yes, yes. So as I said, if you are having one or two groups to be changed like this, you can use the manual way. And if you are having multiple groups with different manager names, I would say you should use these CMDLets or commands so that you can do that things easily and in the right way. So that's all for this video. If you have learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.